Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI R-Line DSG, 110 PS. Now the car's in a great condition and it has a good spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, a light and sight pack, rear tinted windows, along with the 16-inch Sebring alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, the boot's a good size and it comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Connect, an eCall emergency call service and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.